Want extra cash? Who doesn't? Imagine an extra $1,000 landing in your account every month. That's a vacation, debt freedom, or even early retirement. It's a financial cushion that brings peace of mind. Many people are finding clever ways to make this happen. They're starting side hustles, using their skills, and cashing in on the gig economy. And guess what? You can too. It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about taking control of your finances. It's about having more options. Who wouldn't want that? So are you ready to join the $1,000 a month club? Let's dive into some proven strategies. Ready to make that extra cash? There are tons of ways to do it. Love to write? Become a freelance writer. Businesses need blog posts, website content, and more. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients. Got a knack for design? Offer graphic design services, logos, social media posts, even website mock-ups are in high demand. Are you a social media whiz? Manage social media accounts for businesses? Many companies will pay you to handle their online presence. These are just a few ideas. The possibilities are endless. Find something you enjoy and get started. Don't just take our word for it. People are making $1,000 a month or more every day. Take Sarah, a stay-at-home mom. She loved baking and started selling custom cakes online. Now she earns over $1,500 a month doing what she loves. Then there's John, a retired teacher. He's passionate about photography and sells his photos online. He consistently makes around $1,200 a month, supplementing his pension and enjoying his hobby. These stories prove that with some effort and creativity, anyone can achieve their financial goals. Let's be real, starting a side hustle isn't always easy. You might face challenges like finding clients, managing your time, and staying motivated. But don't worry, there are solutions. Join online communities for support, use time management tools, and celebrate your successes. Remember your why. Why do you want to make an extra $1,000 a month? Visualize your goals to stay motivated. You've got this. Take the first step today and start building your path to financial freedom.